If you read number 28, it might be a little bit confusing. A game of Scrabble has 100 tiles, as shown to the right. So the letter A, for example, there are 9 A's in the game of Scrabble. The point value for A is 1. There are 2 B's in the game of Scrabble, and the point value for B is 3. But there are 100 tiles total. The number of tiles shown to the right, the letter on the tile is the point value. The letter next to it is how many there are in the game. 3 tiles are drawn in succession from the 100 tiles. They did not say if we're going to put it back or not. This problem is without replacement. I will not put the tile back after I pick it. They didn't say that. The first time I worked it, I did it with replacement because I was so used to the card problems, you put the card back. Well, you're not putting these back. Find the probability of selecting 3 U's in a row. Blank, blank, blank. The first one's a U, the second one's a U, the third one is a U. As I look at the letter U, there are 4 U's in the tiles. Every tile is there. So the first one is a U is 4 over 100. I picked one, I got a U. Pick again. How many U's are left? 3. There are 99 tiles left. So the probability the second one is a U is 3 over 99. And the probability the third one is a U. By the way, I got a U the second time. The third one, 2 over 98. Be a good idea to reduce these numbers first. So 4, fraction key 100, that's 1 over 25. 3 over 99 reduces to 1 over 33. And 2 over 98, 2 fraction key 98, is 1 over 49. I'll multiply 25 times 33 times 49. 25 times 33 times 49 is 40,425. 1 over 40,425. And then they want the decimal, so no, they want the fraction. Type an integer or a simplified fraction. So 1 over 40,425.